Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add camera tracking to your face in CapCut. So it's pretty easy to do. You just have to open up your CapCut project, then select the video where you would like to apply the camera tracking to your face, which is going to be this one for me. Then this long menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you have to select camera tracking. Then go to the right side, which says camera tracking again. And here you can select custom, hands, body, or face. And it's going to select automatically your face. Then it's going to take a few seconds until it loads. And this is how it looks. Now here, obviously, you have a few options. This way, as you can see, it tracks your face, but it also moves the whole canvas. But if you want to keep your canvas at place, then you can select the fit canvas option, and with this, as you can see, it doesn't move out of the frame, but obviously it's zoomed in. You can also select to keep your face size, which means that if you are going further from the camera, it is still going to keep you in frame and going to zoom in. And here you can also select the rotation as well. So it's pretty easy to use. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.